Pattern. English.
Hello. In this video, we are going to learn about
Get.
10. Get. Phrasal verbs.
Are you ready?
Number 1. Get it.
Get it means to understand something.
I don't get it. Can you explain it again? I don't get it. Can you explain it again?
She looked confused. Clearly she didn't get it. She looked confused. Clearly she didn't get it.
I heard the joke, but I didn't really get it until later. I heard the joke, but I didn't really get it until later.
Number 2. Get on. Meaning 1. To have a good relationship.
I hope you get on well with your new colleagues. I hope you get on well with your new colleagues.
She and her brother get on very well. She and her brother get on very well.
Meaning to board a vehicle. Buses, subways, trains, bikes, horses, planes, or ships.
It was especially hard to get on the subway today. It was especially hard to get on the subway today.
I also had a really hard time getting on the bus this morning.
I also had a really hard time getting on the bus this morning.
Meaning 3. To make progress.
She's really getting on with her piano lessons and can now play several songs. She's really getting on with her piano lessons and can now play several songs.
I need to get on with my research paper. The deadline is approaching. I need to get on with my research paper. The deadline is approaching.
Number 3. Get off.
Meaning 1. To leave a vehicle.
She got off her bike and dragged it away. She got off her bike and dragged it away.
I couldn't get off the bus because it was flying in the sky. I couldn't get off the bus because it was flying in the sky.
Meaning 2. To be given permission to leave.
If you finish your tasks quickly, you might get off early today. If you finish your tasks quickly, you might get off early today.
You've answered all the questions, you can get off now. You've answered all the questions, you can get off now.
Number 4. Get in.
Meaning 1. To arrive at a particular place or time.
What time did you get in last night?
What time did you get in last night?
The train is supposed to get in at 3 p.m. The train is supposed to get in at 3 p.m.
Meaning 2. To board a small vehicle, cars or taxis.
I watched my daughter get in her red sports car and drive away. I watched my daughter get in her red sports car and drive away.
After my kid got in the car, a small accident happened. After my kid got in the car, a small accident happened.
Number 5. Get out. Meaning 1. To leave a place.
We need to get out of this building quickly, it's not safe. We need to get out of this building quickly, it's not safe.
She told him to get out of her room. She told him to get out of her room.
Meaning 2. To become known for secrets or information.
I don't know how our secret got out. but everyone knows our relationship. I don't know how our secret got out, but everyone knows our relationship.
She was careful not to let the surprise party details get out. She was careful not to let the surprise party details get out.
Number 6. Get over. Meaning 1. To move physically over something.
The runner was too exhausted to get over the hurdles. The runner was too exhausted to get over the hurdles.
It was never easy to get over the fence. It was never easy to get over the fence.
Meaning 2. To overcome an obstacle or difficulty.
He's struggling to get over his breakup with Jane. He's struggling to get over his breakup with Jane.
It took her a long time to get over the flu. It took her a long time to get over the flu.
Number 7. Get away. Meaning 1. To leave from a place or situation.
The thief tried to get away, but the police caught him. The thief tried to get away, but the police caught him.
I wish I could just get away from all this stress. I wish I could just get away from all this stress.
Meaning 2. To take a vacation.
We're planning to get away to the mountains this summer. We're planning to get away to the mountains this summer.
I can't wait to get away to the beach and listen to the sound of the waves. I can't wait to get away to the beach and listen to the sound of the waves.
Number 8. Get away with. Meaning, to avoid punishment after doing something wrong.
He thought he could cheat on the test and get away with it. He thought he could cheat on the test and get away with it.
She got away with a warning instead of a ticket after speeding. She got away with a warning instead of a ticket after speeding.
Number 9. Get down. Meaning 1. To lower bodies.
Looks like there's a bomb. Everybody, get down.
Looks like there's a bomb. Everybody, get down.
Get down from that ladder before you hurt yourself.
Get down from that ladder before you hurt yourself.
Meaning 2. To dance or enjoy music.
The band started playing, and the crowd began to get down. The band started playing, and the crowd began to get down.
When my favorite song came on, I just had to get down.
When my favorite song came on, I just had to get down.
Meaning 3. To feel depressed.
The constant rain really gets me down.
The constant rain really gets me down.
It's easy to get down when things don't go as planned. It's easy to get down when things don't go as planned.
Meaning 4. To write something.
I quickly got down his number before I forgot it. I quickly got down his number before I forgot it.
He got down every word during the lecture. He got down every word during the lecture.
Number 10. Get across. Meaning 1. To communicate or make understood.
I tried to get my point across, but they wouldn't listen. I tried to get my point across, but they wouldn't listen.
The teacher found creative ways to get the lesson across. The teacher found creative ways to get the lesson across.
meaning to pass over a place or obstacle.
How do we get across this river? How do we get across this river?
The deer managed to get across the highway safely. The deer managed to get across the highway safely.
Now, let's solve 10 problems.
Let's get started.
1 of 10, she looked confused. Clearly she didn't blank. 1, get down. 2, get on. 3, get it. 4, get out.
The right answer is 3, get it.
2 of 10, it was especially hard to blank the subway today. 1, get down. 2, get on. 3, get over. 4, get off.
The right answer is 2, get on.
3 of 10, if you finish your tasks quickly, you might blank early today. 1, get down. 2, get in. 3, get over. 4, get off.
The right answer is 4, get off.
4 of 10, what time did you blank last night? 1, get down. 2, get in. 3, get over. 4, get off.
The right answer is 2, get in.
5 of 10, we need to blank of this building quickly, it's not safe. 1, get down. 2, get out. 3, get over. 4, get in.
The right answer is 2, get out.
6 of 10, it was never easy to blank the fence. 1, get down. 2, get out. 3, get over. 4, get in.
The right answer is 3, get over.
7 of 10, the thief tried to blank, but the police caught him. 1, get on. 2, get away. 3, get over. 4, get in.
The right answer is 2, get away.
8 of 10, he thought he could cheat on the test and blank it. 1, get away with. 2, get over. 3, get through. 4, get down.
The right answer is 1, get away with.
9 of 10, it's easy to blank when things don't go as planned. 1, get away with. 2, get over. 3, get through. 4, get down.
The right answer is 4, get down.
10 of 10, the deer managed to blank the highway safely. 1, get away with. 2, get back. 3, get across. 4, get in.
The right answer is 3, get across.
You've done a nice job. If you liked this video, please subscribe and like. I hope you continue to study hard.
I will come back with a better video next time.
Thanks for watching this video.
Pattern English.